Need to view a mind map in MNB format from a colleague using older MindManager software? These contain visual idea organization. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open these MindManager mind map files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for MNB file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. A MNB file is a mind map created by MindManager, a commercial brainstorming and project management application. Users create these files to visually organize complex information, tasks, and ideas. The file contains a central topic with branching subtopics, notes, hyperlinks, and attachments, forming a structured, hierarchical diagram. The MNB format is a proprietary structured file, often a zip-based container holding XML data, images, and other resources. This container approach allows it to bundle all map elements into a single portable file while using XML to define the nodes, relationships, and styling, enabling complex data representation and rendering. The tool most commonly used for creating MNB files is MindManager by Corel Mindjet. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. Open the context menu to check file association. Right-click your MNB file and choose Open With. Try MindManager first. If it's absent, select another program. Testing is the most reliable diagnostic. If your MNB file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. The failure means we need to check the fundamentals. Let's perform these 3 essential system and file checks immediately. First, opening in MindManager. Launch Mindjet MindManager and use File then Open to load the MNB file. Modern MindManager versions can typically open legacy MNB files automatically converting to current format. The mind map displays with all topics, relationships, and attachments preserved, enabling continued editing in the current MindManager version. Next, converting to modern format. After opening MNB files in MindManager, save them in the current MMAP format using File then Save As. This ensures continued compatibility with modern MindManager versions and access to current features. The conversion preserves all map content while providing access to features added since the legacy MNB format era. Finally, alternative mind mapping tools. Try opening MNB files in alternative mind mapping software like Xmind FreeMind or MindMeister, though compatibility varies. Some tools include MindManager import functionality with varying success on legacy formats. For collaboration, export to standard formats like OPML, which most mind mapping applications support reliably. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.